What's up, boys and girls? I'm gonna try a little spotty action today. You know me, throwing the Kitech 3-inch pearl. See what happens. Got an outgoing tide, got a little bit of movement, and we got about 45 minutes, 45 minutes fish. Unless the work phone blows up. Stopping here before some appointments. Little therapy session before we start the day, the work day. All right, guys, stand by. Jack smelt. Nice. Feels decent, boys. This is definitely decent. Got me on the rock. You gotta be kidding me. You got me in here. Get him out. Get him out. Get him out. Shall we start a day off, boys? How nervous, jeez. Grab him with the wrong finger. Nice, respectable. Nice. Take it. Let's get back at it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ended on that note. Not a bad day, huh, guys? Swam off like a champ. Awesome. Fucker. God. Get your ass out, buddy. Boom. You went deep in that stuff. Persistence pays off. Persistence. All right. Awesome. Awesome. Woohoo! Oh, shit. How's that? Little 3-inch Kitech pearl, guys. Before work, just a little session here. Having some fun. Awesome. You're good. Just enjoying the scenery, guys. Newport. Gotta love it. Oh my God, there's a fire. Sweet. Ooh, Tom Petty. Woohoo! All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Got it. That was a real ripper bite there for a while. 7, 8 spotties. I have to go and look at the files and see how many. I forgot. 1 torpedo. Lost that, or came off long distance release. Perfectly okay with that. Yeah, jazzed. I didn't have to touch slime. And short halibut. 3 species from the beach and shore. And I'll take it with the amount of spotties. What was working? Kitech, not affiliated, guys. I know we talk about Kitech all the time, have no affiliation with them whatsoever, but they get bit. I pretty much stuck with Pearl. So Easy Shiner 3-inch. Quarter-ounce Kalen's darter head and 6-pound string. That was it. Got a couple fish in the deep shit, excuse my language, but got those both out, so stoked on that. And a little session before work. I highly recommend this, man. I'm in such a great frame of mind. Feel jazzed. The weekend's upon us. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I'm not really pumped on that, but yeah, anyway, got a session in. If it does rain tomorrow and Sunday the wife wants to go to brunch or something like that, I got my session in. So yeah, really stoked. So hey guys, hey, if you like it, comment. Anything you want to see different, if you want to see some dock fishing, I can do this stuff before work all the time. Comment below, like it, subscribe it. Stoked for everyone that stuck through the video. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and peace out. Late.